the administrative block of Jindal Rolling Mills, Hisar, which is owned by our very well-known and very prestigious clients, Mr. Yogaraj Jindal and Mr. Ayush Jindal ji. The basic brief of the project was to create a marble for the name Jindals that they already hold. Myself, architect Kashish Gupta. My firm's name is Arc Studio. We are here in Hisar since last 26 years. Our only motto is to turn dreams into reality. We are trying to create architectural marvels in regions close to Hisar and all over Haryana. Today, we are at our recently completed project, the administrative block of Jindal Rolling Mills, Hisar, which is owned by our very well-known and very prestigious clients, Mr. Yogaraj Jindal and Mr. Ayush Jindal ji. We started this project in 2021. There was an old administrative building, only ground floor. The basic brief of the project was to create a marble for the name Jindals that they already hold. Our basic problems of the site were the industrial area and the industry that was in proximity to the site. So the insulation regarding sound, heat and light were the main challenges that we were able to cater during the construction of the site. The nature's proximity to the site is a lush green lawn to the left of the site, and the right comprises of the industrial building of the Jindal Rolling Mill itself. The main issue of the site was in months of June and July, the rainwater and the groundwater seeped through the site's floor. Our structural engineering teams and all the technical heads of our teams decided to put a raft of around 3 feet below the ground so that the rainwater and the groundwater seepage problem can be solved. When we enter the site, we have a 4 feet huge wooden door. There is a reception and a waiting area with the excellent pyramid structure created on the double height lobby with profile lights installed, which creates a grandeur effect at the entrance itself. The ductable ACs as well as all the other finishes have been perfectly camouflaged with the entire site. Yogaraj ji's principle was to create all the cabins together with a transparent feel so that each and every person can see each and every other person working and create a positive environment at the site. The conference room is itself a marvel where he wanted all the meetings to be held, and the internal lightings have been designed in such a way that may it be day or night, you can always have an excellent feeling while sitting and working in these places. When we started, we had 3 floors in mind to be created. The ground floor for all the executives and the officers related to the factory's administrative wing. The first floor for Mr. Ayush Jindal ji and Mr. Yogaraj Jindal ji and their subordinates. The third floor, the recreational area with some guest rooms, some subordinate rooms, some dining areas, smoking zones and some skylight areas, so that the internal and the outside of the site can be connected with each other. The flooring is a basic tile flooring 4x6 Kajaria. The lightings have been chosen by White Teak by Asian and the laminates and plyboards by Amulya Mica. And all the other finishes have been chosen which are primarily branded and satisfactorily pleasing to the client. The veneer walls, the polishes, the PU finishes, the stone laminum finishes, the tilings, the wooden tilings, the brands of all the other materials have been selectively chosen and decided as per client's choice. We kept the facade very simple and sober so that the building can be recognized as a landmark building. When we completed the site, Mr. Yogaraj Jindal ji and Ayush Jindal ji were very pleased with the way how the site came out to be.